Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed to cater to professionals in the beauty and wellness industry. The Master Massage Apollo Extra Large Size Portable Massage Chair. This lightweight, foldable massage chair promises comfort, durability, and portability for massage therapists on the go. Let's take a closer look at whether this chair lives up to the hype. The Apollo Portable Massage Chair is crafted with massage professionals in mind, boasting a lightweight aluminum frame that weighs just 18 pounds, making it easy to transport between sessions. It's built with an adjustable frame that measures 19 inches in width, 29 inches in length, and 50 inches in height, offering a custom fit for clients of all body types. Whether you're working with petite clients or those requiring a little extra space, the oversized, comfortable cushions ensure maximum relaxation. With its impressive 650 pounds weight capacity, this chair supports a wide range of clients and maintains stability during sessions. Now, when we talk about the real-world experience, this chair is certainly a game changer in terms of comfort and usability. The 2-inch thick cushions are substantial, providing excellent support for extended sessions. I found it surprisingly easy to set up, even when on the move, and it folds away neatly for storage, making it ideal for massage therapists who travel or work in different locations. The no-mark finish is a nice touch, ensuring that the aluminum frame stays looking pristine, despite constant folding and unfolding. However, let's not overlook the practical aspects of this chair. The included accessories, such as the 6-way adjustable face cradle and memory foam face pillow, add a level of luxury that clients will definitely appreciate. Plus, the session pouch is a thoughtful detail, providing a handy storage space for personal items like eyeglasses or jewelry, keeping everything within reach. Transporting this chair is also hassle-free, thanks to the included wheeled carrying case, which rolls smoothly and makes it easy to get from place to place. There's no denying the quality here, but let's balance the scales. The Apollo Portable Massage Chair is designed for both durability and comfort, with its sturdy aluminum frame and generous cushioning, but it's not the most compact option available. While it's light compared to other heavy-duty chairs, it may still feel bulky for some users, especially if you're constantly on the move and need a chair that's even more compact. The adjustable frame is a fantastic feature for accommodating a variety of clients, but some people might find the process of adjustment slightly cumbersome in a fast-paced environment. As for the price, this chair is definitely a higher-end option in the market. However, considering its weight capacity, comfort, and accessories, the price is justifiable for those in the professional massage therapy field. If you're a therapist who values comfort, stability, and quality, this investment might be worth it. But for those on a tighter budget, there are similar, more affordable options that may not offer all the premium features, but still get the job done. In terms of build quality, the Apollo Massage Chair is top-notch. The aircraft-quality aluminum frame not only ensures longevity, but also guarantees strength. The no-mark finish is a particularly nice feature, as it resists chips, nicks, and scratches, keeping the chair looking new, even after multiple uses. Now, if you're thinking about alternatives, there are more budget-friendly massage chairs available that don't quite match the comfort or sturdiness of the Apollo, but may be suitable for less demanding environments. For example, brands like Earthlight or Master Massage offer portable massage chairs that are a bit more affordable, but still deliver solid performance for lighter use. So what's the verdict? The Master Massage Apollo Portable Massage Chair is an excellent choice for professionals who value comfort, durability, and portability. It's especially well-suited for those who work with clients of varying body types and need a chair that can withstand heavy use. While it may be pricier than some alternatives, the quality and convenience it offers are hard to beat. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you've tried the Apollo Portable Massage Chair, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences with it. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.